Okay, we've got this Aprilia RST factory. It's a 05 plate. So it's had a clock change at some point. On the clocks it says 12,782. I believe it's about 18.4. It's walk around video, show you around the bike, show you any marks or any extras or anything like that. So we'll start off with the screen. It's got an aftermarket tinted screen on there. It does have a few marks where it's been cleaned over the years. Headlight, again, a couple of stone chips in places. The same on the left hand side. Front mudguard's good, as is the front wheel. Right hand side, a little bit of a stone chip there, and a few just lower down. Right hand panel is all good. A little bit of blistering just lower down. Got RNG crash protection. The frame's nice. Got the arrow exhaust. Does have a couple of marks just around the bracket. The swing arm. And some mark there from heel of your boots. Suspension's in good condition. Rear wheel to the right hand side, it's all good. Right hand side of the tank does have a couple of marks where it's been cleaned over the years again. There is some blistering high up and just around the fuel cap as well. Seats in good condition. A couple of boot marks on the seat cowl. Lights are good. Left hand side of the rear wheel is good. Carbon fibre chain guard. And the heel plates. Or to the left again, you can just see where it's been cleaned over the years. Left hand side of the tank. Now the frame's good on this side. Fairing low down, again a stone chip or a bit of paint off there as well as there. And again at the front. Left hand side of the front wheels are good. So rear seat's good. Blistering on the tank that I've already shown. A little bit there as well. All the controls are nice. Dash does as it should. If you'd like to know anything else about the bike, or like to come view the bike, it's at Ryder Motorcycles, Castle Road, Sittingbourne.